combined team of Moray Commando and 12 Assam Rifles Kuding Thabi post arrest 2 juveniles with contraband World is Yours tablets. And Guwahati hosts 4th Conclave of Northeast Democratic Alliance NEDA, a constituent of the ruling NDA government. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibete Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A combined team of Moray Commando led by SIS Lolindro and personnel of 12 Assam Rifles Kuding Thabi Post has arrested 2 juveniles from Moray Ward number 7, Chavang Phai Wing with illegal possession of 16,441 World is Yours tablets and 1 Burma made Kenbo bike. The team arrested them during a frisking operation at Kuding Thabi checkpost at around 3:20 p.m. yesterday. They were handed over to Moray police station for further interrogation. Three-day management development program for Board of Directors of Primary Agricultural Credit Cooperative Societies kicked off today. Institute of Cooperative Management organized a program under SOFCOP scheme of NABARD at its conference hall in Lamphel. Speaking at the event, President of Manipur State Cooperative Union L. Tompisak stressed on the need to know the government's undertakings following drought declaration in the state. Stating that many willing societies are unable to help the farmers due to financial crunch, Tompisak urged stakeholders to strive together for an enhanced agricultural sector. Speaking on the occasion, ICM Director Dr. N. Ranjana stressed the need to strengthen PLCS so that it can help farmers. She asserted that societies were formed to assist the farmers. Dr. Ranjana stated that various topics necessary to reinforce the societies will be discussed during the program.
Society Toriba, I quite Kambushi, Puxel, Kujil, Dinana, Puxel, Mana, Wanamilaba, Lina, Tekon Presser Piraba, and Webetarabadi, I quite Nasi, I quite Low Shu Gilam the Sanction, Zeribe Koise, Poto Putuna Hona Deribe Koise, I quite Manana, Puna Honamil Target, I quite suffer to kill a visa, Kitan Kanabadi Yaga and Kali. Otherwise, Marwena, Masis now, and Tamdeni Badi, and Hiding Badi, Sumna Kaki, a Lomini, Tobanata. How I have some young like we put a talk to the winner, Indian woman, a talk fellow, to Manabam Targar, as primary represent of Bella Piriba, both directors in chair, Puxen, Cogent in an Ikoi, Longi Equisocataviati, Longi Equing, Deviati, Longi Equin, Poto, Putoda, Equi, Manipur the Riba, people in their Pradas in chair, Sinequi, Puto, Potoxin, Equing, even have options, to call Pupida.
MSME Technology Center in Fall under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises MSME, Government of India organized stakeholders workshop and presentation on government policies and initiatives at Hotel Classic Grande today. The event was a part of nationwide program on Technology Center System Program. TCSP, sponsored by the World Bank, which aims to ascertain various challenges facing the stakeholders to make an action plan to boost the economy and to enlighten them on the benefits of various government schemes. Principal Secretary of Textile Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur, P. Vaipai, and experts on medicinal plants took part in the event.
India's gateway to Southeast Asia. Very soon the doors will be opening. This is high time for all of us to concentrate on the potentials we have so that before the doors are open, we are prepared to face the outside world. We are prepared, we are built up, we are organized so that when the windows and the doors open, we should be ready to trade with people, to show the best that we have, to deal with them with our strength, not with our weakness or not to be caught unprepared. So this is a very, very important workshop. I would sincerely request all of you to take full advantage of this.
Titular King Leshem Basana Jauba flagged off Mami Thawan Foundation's Awa expedition titled Lipunwari from the sacred Kangla shrine today. Altogether, 54 people from the film fraternity, including 10 women, are participating in the 9-day expedition. Speaking on the occasion, titular King Leshembasana Jawa stated that the tour will enhance ties between Meiteis in Manipur and the Awam Meiteis. He bid them safe journey and sent greetings for the Awam Meiteis. Organizer of the expedition, renowned Manipur film director Romy Meitei, who is also the chairman of Mami Thawan Foundation, stated that the expedition team will showcase various Manipuri cultural shows in Myanmar. He mentioned that 2 exhibition football matches will also be played in Mandalay and Saigon region. Renowned singer and actor Sadananda, Tonthoi, Deni, Sori, Soma and Manka are in the team.
Chaliba aikoigi team asi khongchad asi yamna aikoigi good mission haiba tare aikoigi haugraba aikoigi hana leiba ani gi marakta leidarakpa adu hauji hauji so mu aikoigi act is policy na singba lakpa sida kharaga hena hana gi mari du degi hena chesanba nungsinaba urangnaba adugumba khongchadamani
masigi marueba pandamdi Manipur gi nungsiraba khoigi paujelama masi Myanmar da khundariba maitai khoigi chilnau sing punamakta khoigi message pirubani ada khoigi cultural program sing football match ani masu sanajagani ada khundariba khoigi maitai chilnau sing unaduna wanungai wari sarugani Mandlar Thire Stadium da khoigi Mamithon 11 ga Mandle gi art and drama culture association gi team ga sanagani duga Jum halapagi lambida Sagayangi Chief Minister 11 ga Mamithwan ga musanagani.
Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on more updates. Keep watching Impact News. R&B Art House organized the first Manipur Art Fest 2019 on the occasion of its first Foundation Day at Lamyan Basanglim today. Fine Arts Department of Imphal Art College, Manipur University, art lovers and various art associations are taking part in the fest that will continue till September 11. Lalit Kala Academy, New Delhi awardee Thoidingjam Tombi, Sana Laikham Sanglakpa of Manipur Pandit Loishang Khangimba Mangi and music composer cum director Ngangom Ibopisak attended the event.
Imphal Hodomaga, Mumbai, the Muktore, Adul, Florida, USA Tore. Matang Satar, art key, Karsataka Marks, the art promotion. Nasi Maki programs is art promotion. Art, my who on the year goes like Saragus like the music shooting item Tore, importance, Kada the Kana, Torino, Tawid, the Hyper public that you real, they come the Tower, Lawyer, Satpa. Sigi pots, a point assume Basimu Ucharagadi, she the public as Luina Zaba at the same time, see Mam Ubiraga, Tungyang, and oh, Sumam Tobia, Bore, Kalaga, Moiga, pull up to hide more than May Chubogumene, Quagidi.
People remember late Provisional on his 2nd death anniversary today. Family members, along with volunteers of People Action Committee Against Brutal Killing of Provisional at Greater Noida, organized observance at Uripogachom Laikai. Attendees paid floral tributes to his portrait and prayed for his soul to rest in peace. A discussion on the status of the matter participated by Chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission Khaidem Mani, Manil President Soram Tikendrajit, representatives of students and civil society organizations and Maira Paibi associations was also held at the event. 22-year-old Provisional from Uripogachom Laikai went missing after he attended a musical concert at the Indian Expo Center and Mart in Greater Noida, UP on September 8, 2017. His lifeless body was recovered on the roadside in Murga Market and the Sector 20 police station the next day. Police cremated his body without informing his family on September 13. Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West District organized one-day awareness program on medical emergency measures at Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara today. Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society Imphal West District, Dr. Koizam Arunkanta and his team trained the escort team of the Chief Minister and PSO on how to give first aid and cardiovascular resurrection CPR. The fourth conclave of the Northeast Democratic Alliance NEDA, a constituent of the ruling NDA, will be held in Guwahati today. BJP President and Union Home Minister Amit Shah will take part in the conclave along with Chief Minister of Northeastern states. Apart from them, senior leaders of NEDA, ministers and chairpersons of various corporations of Assam will also attend the conclave. Party sources said that issues pertaining to strengthening the NEDA will be discussed. Apart from that, several other issues including the NRC are likely to be discussed in the conclave. The Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh will have a common High Court. State Judicial Academy's Director Rajiv Gupta informed this in Jammu yesterday. He said a legislative assembly will be formed in J&K as UT, but there will be no legislative assembly in the Union Territory of Ladakh as it will be directly controlled by the Union government. Rajiv Gupta said 108 central laws will be applicable for the two Union territories, while 164 state laws will be repealed and 166 state laws will be continued to be applicable. The centre had on August 5 nullified Article 370 of the Constitution, revoking the special status of the state. Parliament approved the resolution in this regard and also passed a bill on the bifurcation of the state into two Union territories. Later on, 9th of August, President Ramnath Kovind gave assent to the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act, bifurcating the two Union territories, which will come into existence on October 31. Now the sports news. Rafael Nadal has won US Open men's single, beating Daniil Medvedev 7-5, 6-3, 5-7, 4-6, 6-4 this morning. This is his fourth US Open title and 19th Grand Slam trophy. His win did not come easily, even though Nadal took the first two sets and was headed by a break at 3-2 in the third. Medvedev came back by shifting styles and breaking Nadal in the last game of each of the next two sets to force the fifth. The 33-year-old Spanish left-hander chased his 19th career Grand Slam singles title, one shy of Roger Federer's all-time men's record in his 27th Slam final. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Combined team of Moray Commando and 12 Assam Rifles Kuding Thabi Post arrest two juveniles with contraband World is Yours tablet. And Guwahati holds fourth conclave of Northeast Democratic Alliance, a constituent of the ruling NDA government.